Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the new email notification sound on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel here, so go ahead and left click on that. Set view by to large icons and then select the sound. Select the Sounds tab and then locate where it says New Mail Notification and go ahead and just left click on that. And then where it says Sounds, click inside the drop down and then you can select whatever sound you want. And you can select the test button as well if you want to listen to it before making the change. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. And if you ever want to go back to what the default was, just click inside this top drop down underneath Sound Scheme and set it to Windows Default. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.